Hi, this is Dr. Jason Munsell. I am using my iPhone this time to create a very brief video for the very first day of our class in rhetoric, the rhetoric of tourism. I'm just sort of experimenting with this one, and I'm just sort of seeing how wonky this sort of is. I'm happy to know that I have at least one fan. That's a terrible joke. That is sort of weird looking, actually. Sort of cool. Looks like I have something on my head. Looks like I'm a human helicopter. But in any case, so what I want to say just a little bit here is I want to say a bit about the assignments. This is just going to be introducing the assignments, and then the other videos are going to say some more specific things about the assignments. And so if you want to follow along in the syllabus, this is sort of what we're looking at here. If you can see that, it might be upside down, I can't tell. But there are basically five things that you're going to do for this class. The first thing, threaded discussions / forums. Generally, we're going to have a one per week. I'll say more about that later on. That is worth 20% of the course. The second thing is sort of a travel blog using Tumblr. And I put some directions on how to set up a Tumblr account on Koala Connection. It's amazingly easy, and it's just a way for us to reflect on the sites that we visit during our tours. The third thing are site tweets. I'm encouraging you, or not encouraging you, I'm requiring you to create a Twitter account. If you don't already have one, you can create another one just for this particular class if you so desire, and you will be tweeting with 140 characters that you have your descriptions or experiences or whatever as you are touring the sites. Again, when I say touring or when I say sites, I mean it sort of in a doubled way, since we are looking at the websites of various places, and we're not necessarily going there physically. Tweets, you can really only have to do one per site, but you can actually do more if you want to really get into it. And I am going to be using the hashtag rhet of tourism so we can all see each other's tweets. And also, so far as the blogs, I'm hoping to put all the various blogs on Koala Connection so we can follow one another and see what everybody else is sort of saying on their blogs. And by the way, that hashtag is the little number sign rhetofTourism, rhet of tourism. And by the way, the Tumblr thing is worth 20%, and the site tweets only worth 10%. The reflection emails, basically I'm asking you to send me emails that are reflections of the readings that you do. And I just want to see to make sure that you're understanding your readings. One of the things with online teaching and online classes is very self-directed, and so you're sort of learning on your own. It's sort of like an independent study in a way. And so I just want to make sure that you are understanding things since we are not having exams or quizzes or anything like that, because I cannot stand online exams and quizzes, at least right now where I am in my own maturation as a college professor. And then that's worth 20%. And then the final thing is a critical essay. You will have to write an essay. It is sort of the biggest part of the class, and it will be about 10 pages. Critically analyzing, that is my dog hacking something up, if you hear that. It is really taking a particular site of tourism. It doesn't have to be necessarily in South Carolina. It can be pretty much anything, and it can also be one of the things that we look at in class. You okay? What are you hacking up there? He's been chewing on himself. But in any case, you will have to hack up your own critical thoughts in this particular paper, and I'll say more about that paper later. And that's worth 30%. So again, 5 things that you have to do in this class for grades. Threaded discussion, forums, basically 1 per week. Travel blogs using Tumblr, blogging at least once for every site we visit online. Travel site tweets, at least 1 per site that we visit. Reflection emails for every reading that I assign. And then finally that critical essay. And again, threaded discussion forums were 20%, travel blog 20%, travel site tweets 10%, reflection emails 20%, and then the critical essay is worth 30%. I will say more about all of the various assignments in upcoming videos. Thank you.